Before you begin, remove the base enclosure. Battery. Solid-state drive. Wireless module. Hard disk drive assembly. Optical drive. Fan. And system board. Removal. Important. Make careful note of the routing of the display panel and USB cables for later replacement. Remove the display panel and USB cables from the routing channel and retention tape on the speaker. Remove the speaker cable from the routing channel on the top cover. Lift the speakers off of the alignment pins on the top cover and remove. Reverse this procedure to install the speakers.